you're teaching or live video platform, make sure you've selected CamSchool as your camera and microphone sources. Then, launch CamSchool from your desktop. Select which reward game you intend to use with your lesson. Each game has a mini intro, so remember to introduce the game title to your student. For example, try,
"Today we're playing the race card reward."
Using the unique control panel, click the reward button at any time during your lesson to positively award your student. Don't forget to incorporate total physical response, TPR, too, as you and your student watch the reaction in your camera frame. Use the reward indicator to track the progress of the reward game. Before saying goodbye to your students, click End to play the closing animation. Have fun using multiple rewards with your students in your virtual classroom. Go to camschool.com/store to download new reward games. Don't forget to subscribe or follow and keep up with what we are building. Thanks for watching!